Good morning, everybody! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Welcome to the Shed School! Woo! It's Friday! Yeah! 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 It's Friday, it's Friday, it's my day, it's Friday. I love Fridays, I just love Fridays. Hello, good welcome to the Shed School with me, Mr. Bates. Hope you're doing alright. Can't believe it's Friday! Already! What a crazy week it's been. It's been crazy. It's been crazy. And well, good morning to you all. Let's see who we've got in the shed this morning. Oh, we're jumping straight in today. Good morning to Molly and Isla. Good morning. Good morning to Lisa. Good morning to you. Good morning to Jessica and... Oh no, I've done it again. Mr. Bates does this quite a lot and he writes people's names down and it's so messy, I can't even read my own writing. That was Jessica and Maggie, of course. Jessica and Maggie. Sorry, Jessica and Maggie. Good morning, Stanley. Good morning, Lola. Good morning, Elo and Kashan. Good morning. Good morning, Michael, Zach and Theo. Good morning. Good morning to Ada and Stanley and your cousin Isabella, or Isabella and your cousins Ada and Stanley. It works both ways. Both cousins. Morning. Good morning to Lottie. Good morning. Good morning to Izzy. Good morning to you. Good morning to Edward and Robin. Good morning. Good morning to Sophia and Alex and Nia and Callum. Good morning to you guys. Good morning to Princess Penelope. Hello, Lady Penelope. Good morning to Caleb. Good morning to Vincent. Good morning to Oliver and Grace. Good morning, Alexa. Alexa, turn the lights on. Every morning. Good morning to James and Harry. Good morning. Good morning to Jasper. Good morning. Good morning to Alana. Good morning to you. Good morning to Ted in his shed. Good morning to Ted. He's in his shed. Good morning. And good morning to Jake and... Oh... I think that's Jasmine. Again, I've wrote names down too quick. I was in a bit of a rush this morning, sorry. I wrote down names a bit quickly. Princess Mary, that is, where is it? It's going back up. We've got, oh, I missed your joke, Harry and James. Why do plants hate maths? I don't know. Why do plants hate maths? It gives them square roots. That's so good. Very good, because that's tying in our English. Very good. I like that. It was Jake and someone in Bristol. Jake and Jasmine in Bristol? I think it was Jake and Jasmine. Well, good morning to you. Good morning to Cody Ash. Good morning to... Oh, Olivia, whose first time it is today. Good morning, Olivia. Hope you're doing well. That's you, Olivia. Yeah, first time. Welcome. Welcome to the Shed School. All you need at home is a piece of paper and a pen. Or if you have a whiteboard and a pen, even better. That's all you ever need. All I ask is you don't type lots of letters into the comments box because it gets really annoying. And If you don't have any work that's been set by your school, make sure you do that work first, because that work is designed for you, and this is just for fun. It's just for fun. That's why I'm just like a pirate. I'm just for fun. Right, well, who else have we got on here? Good morning, Lizzie. Good morning, Tommy, Bella. Good morning, Dougie and Lillian and Lester. Good morning to you. And James and Daniel and the world. Good morning. Sorry we're late. Don't ever apologise for being late. You can never be late to the Shed School because it's all recorded and you can catch up any time. Now, I need your opinion. It's Friday. I was feeling a bit crazy this morning. Do I wear traditional pirate hat? Or shall I go parrot hat? What do you think? Pirate hat, parrot. Pirate, parrot. That's quite hard to say, actually. Pirate, parrot. Or parrot. Which one? What do you think? Which one should I wear today? I'm not sure. Hair's still white. Hair is still white. Whoa! Bad roots though, look at that. Which one should I go for? Parrot or pirate? You vote. Write in the comments box. What one do you think I should wear today? It's parrots and Annie in Richmond. Annie's saying parrot. We've got a few for parrot. Shall I go parrot? Let's go parrot. Let's go crazy and go parrot today. Woohoo! It's Friday after all. Hello. I'm ready to do some maths. Perfect. We got parrot on. We're going parrot. We've gone full parrot. Right. Fantastic. Well, what a day we've got ahead of us. We've got some Key Stage 1 maths now, which is going to be absolutely brilliant. It's going to be doing some problem solving, and we're looking at that kind of shape and how we move things and that direction. Oh, we're doing all that. 11 o'clock, English, Wow Wall. We've got Mr. Monkey. I've also got some really cool things to share with you, pardon me. Really exciting stuff. I just can't wait. It's one of those days where there's just so many things going on. We've got birthdays as well, but again, we're going to do them later on in English. I'm waffling. The parrot's getting crazy. Let's go with a bit of a warm-up to warm up ourselves. You ready? Let's get ourselves warmed up. Right, here we go. You ready? Perfecto. Right, let's get going with some maths to warm up our little minds and our brains and our fingers and our toes. Here we go. Let's go. So, where you go? There we go. There we go. All of our maths are brought to you by White Rose Maths, whiteRoseMaths.com. Do check them out. They've got some fantastic resources up on there. Now, mums and dads, you can go away now. Bye, mum and dad. Bye. Yeah, I'm talking to you, mum and dad. See you later. Because we're going to do some maths together. We don't need your help. Right. So we are going to do a problem-solving starter to kick things off. You ready? Piece of paper and pen. All we ever need. Right, I'll read you the question. Either go at your own pace or work along with me. It's up to you. Like I always say, if I go a bit quick, feel free to go back and watch this video at a later date to go back over the things you found tricky. Okay? Oh, I've took my glasses off. I can't see. Where have you gone? Can't see you. Oh, there you are. Phew. Thought I lost it. Right, so Mary measures the mass of 2 cylinders. Cylinders are those things that those shapes on the top of the scales, those circle things, cylinders, 3D shape. Mary measures the mass, which means the weight of 2 cylinders. What is the mass of 10 of these cylinders? Okay, right, so I'll read that to you again nice and slowly so we can digest it, okay? Mary measures the mass of 2 cylinders. So she's weighing those 2 shapes. That's what she's done. She's weighing them. How much do they weigh? It says on the scales there. How much does it weigh? It says 7 kg, which means kilograms, which is a weight. Everything's weighted in grams and kilograms, and that's saying it's 7 kilograms, okay? So, don't worry about the kilograms for now. We're going to come back to that, but we're going to say it weighs 7. Yeah, with me? So, 2 of those cylinders weighs 7, or equals 7, okay? What is the mass of 10 of these cylinders? Okay, well, we need to work that out then, don't we? There's a sum that we could do to work them out. So we could do, we could times them up if you know your times table, or we could add them up, couldn't we? So we need 10 cylinders altogether. 2 cylinders equals 7. So let me draw another 2. My cylinders are not going to be very good here. I'm just letting you know, cylinders are not very good. That's another 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another 2. 7, 8. Another 2. 9, 10. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cylinders. And each 2 cylinders weigh 7. Okay, cool. Now all I need to do is add up how many 7s I've got. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lots of 7. Hey, there's a times table for us. We could have done it as times tables. 5 times 7 gives us the answer of 5 times 7. 5 times 7. 5 in our head. I'm going to count on 5. Counting 5s till I get to, till I count 7 on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Or we can add them together. Go 7, add 7. 7 add 7 gives you 14. Add another 7, 21. Add another 7, 28. Add another 7 gives us a grand total of 35. 35. So our answer to the question is 35. I went very quick then, didn't I? I went far too quick. I was aware I went too quick. That was a bit fast. That was a hard one. It was a hard one because of mass. So, Mary measures the mass of 2 cylinders. What's the mass of 10 of these cylinders? So we've had to times 2 by 10. No, times 7 by 10. See, I can't even explain it. This is what happens on Fridays. Should we move on? Let's move on. Let's keep going. Give yourself a big R. Very good. Very good. Right. Let's give it a go. So, Jack and Dora each have some money. They each have some money. Okay. We're going to take it a little bit slower this time. I went a bit fast in that first one. I was aware for it. I spent half of my money. That's what Dora said. I spent £12. They have the same amount left. Dora spent £20. How much money did Jack have at the start? Right. Let's work this out. Okay, there's a few facts here. There's quite a few things to do. I'm going to take it nice and slowly. So Jack and Dora each have some money. So they've both got some money. What facts do we know? Dora has spent half her money. And Jack has spent £12. Okay. They have the same amount left. Okay. Dora spent £20. Okay. She spent £20. How much did Jack have? Right. Well, a couple of facts that we know from that one. Dora, I'm going to put a D at the top here to make it easier. And I'm going to go Dora and Jack. Dora and Jack. Dora spent half of her money. And she has got £20 left. She's got £20 left over. She's spent double £20. What would double £20 be? What would double £20 be? She spent half of it. She's got a whole lot of money and she spent half of that money. And she's got £20 left for herself. How much did she start off with? How much did she start off with? Well, she started off with £40. Because she spent 20, so she's taken away 20 from the 40. Okay? But the question's asking is, how much did Jack have at the start? Okay, well, it says that they both had the same amount. So, they both started with £40. And Jack's got £12 left. So, how much money has Jack got? How much money has did Jack have at the start? How much money did Jack have at the start? They have the same amount left. Sorry, they have the same amount left. But he only spent £12. I'll explain that again. I'm not explaining things very well this morning at all, am I? So I spent £12. Okay, so he spent £12, and they have the same amount left. Okay, they have the same amount left. So she has £20 left. So that means Jack must have £20 left. He spent £12 of it. So how much did he originally start with? Well, we need to then do the inverse of the addition. He's spent £12. We need to add that 12 back on to work out how much he's got in total. So it'll be 20 add 12. At 20 add 12. 20 add the units, so add the 2 gives us 22. Add the 10 gives us 32. So Jack has had £32 to start with. Woohoo! Give yourself a big R. Very good, very good. Well done, everybody. We are fully warmed up. Oh, yeah! Oh, as you can tell, Mr. Bates's brain is not working as quick as it should be this morning. So let's take this next bit nice and slowly. It's probably the parrot. Right, let's keep going. Next one. So, give yourself a big R. We've already done that, Mr. Bates. Come on. So we're describing position today. We've been looking at this all week, haven't we? About how we can move things. Round and go round to the left, to the right. Half turn, quarter turn, full turn. And yesterday we navigated Mr. Monkey all the way across that map to the bananas. And we told him which way to go. Move forward one, move forward another one. And then half turn to the left. All of that lovely stuff. Right, so let's have a little look at this board in front of us. Jack is directly above Alex. Okay. Eva is directly below Alex. We need to find out who is who on this one. So we're going to try to find out who is who. Okay, so we've got a few names on the board and we've got a few faces. But we need to find out who is who. Okay, if you want to, you can draw this out on your board if you like. You can draw out the names. You can draw out the faces. If you want to just follow along with mine, feel free. So we've got Jack. I'm going to write the names up. Whitney. And then I've got Dora. Now I've got a few other faces in this one, and this one, but I don't know who it is yet. Can you see that? So Jack is directly above Alex. Perfect. We've got our first one. What colour hair does Alex have? What colour hair does Alex have to have? Because Jack is directly above Alex. So which one's Alex? Well, Alex has got to be that one right in the middle, isn't it? Because Jack is directly above and Alex is in the middle. So this middle one has got to be Alex. Would you agree? Yeah, Jack is directly above Alex and we can see Jack that is already on our little map there. Perfect. So we've already positioned our first one. The lady with the red hair is Alex. She's in the middle. Perfect. Next one. It says, Eva is directly below Alex. Oh, Eva is directly below Alex. Oh, so which one is going to be Eva? We've got Whitney, we've got Jack. We now know where Alex is, because Alex is directly above... Jack is directly above Alex. Eva is directly below Alex. Okay, so which one is going to be Eva? Well, hang on a minute. We just worked out which one Alex is, haven't we? Of course. Alex is in the middle. She's the one with the red hair there. And it says Eva is directly below. So the girl with the blonde hair right in the middle at the bottom there, that one must be Eva. Would you agree at home? Yeah, well done. Very good. Well, good spotted. Oh, nice emoji. Very good. That's excellent. Super duper duper. So then it says, somebody is to the right of Eva. Right. Who is going to be to the right of Eva? Okay, we know where Whitney is, Jack is. We know Alex now. We know where Eva is now. But who is to the right of Eva? If we're not sure of our left and right, what can we do? What can we do if we're not sure? Hey, we did that trick all week, didn't we? Put our fingers up like this and make that lovely L shape. And the one that is an actual capital L, so for me it's this one, I'll show you this side. It's this one, isn't it? That's an actual capital L, is your left. The other one, which is a backwards L, is your right. All right? All right? All right? So, left, right. And it says, Someone is to the right of Eva. Who is to the right of Eva? Who is to the right of Eva? Well, it is, I'm sure you worked out, it's Dora, isn't it? Dora's to the right. Yes, you got that at home. You're clever, clogs. Well done. Excellent stuff. Next one says, there is no one above Amir. There is no one above Amir. Oh, okay. Well, let's look at the characters on the page. And which one has got nobody above? Like nobody directly above him. In the square above, there's nobody there. Well, it can only be one character, isn't it? Amir has got to be the guy next to Alex, hasn't it? Amir. Because if we look, there's nobody above Amir. Does that make sense? Yeah, well done, everybody. You guys are on fire today. This is awesome. Well done. What are the missing names? Well, we've worked out our missing names, haven't we? We've got Alex in the middle, Eva underneath Alex, and Amir to the right of Alex. And that's everybody, isn't it? Yeah, absolutely. And then it says, add people to complete the grid and describe where they are. Perfect. So, if I was to say Whitney, who's up there at the top, where is Whitney? How could you describe where Whitney is? I don't mean in Oxfordshire. If you describe where Whitney is on this grid, where would she be? Where would you say she would be? How could you describe where she is? Let's have a think. Well, I would say that she's to the left of Jack. Would you agree at home? Whitney is to the left of Jack. Brilliant! Give yourself a big R! Very good. Well done. Really thinking about these positions and how we describe it. Top left. Yeah, top left. That indicates that it's at the top on the left. Lovely positional language. Well done. Right, there we go. We've got Whitney there. We've got Jack. And we were right. Look at that. We've got Alex in the middle. Eva underneath her. Dora to the next. And then Amir to the right of Alex. It's lovely. It's that lovely language, isn't it? To the left, to the right. Really important that we know our left and right. We can describe it. And we can see it in our positions of where all things are. How we place things. Oh, that's to the top left of that box. That's to the bottom right of that grid. Really important that we can do that in maths, and really important we can do that in problem solving, because a lot of time they ask us questions about that. Right. I would like you to describe how many different ways can you describe the position of the 2p coin. Okay, so on your whiteboard, on your piece of paper, I would like you to write down as many different ways you can describe the position of the 2p coin. How can you describe where that 2p is? There's lots of different ways, isn't there? And I want you to write down as many as you can think of. Ooh, what can I think of? I know. The 2p is in the middle of the coins. Hey, there's one. How else could I think? I'm trying to think of any others. Oh, the 2p is to the left of the 5p. Hey, that one works. Brilliant. How about the 2p is next to the £5 note? Does that work? No. No, of course, there's no £5 note on there. No, of course. Centre, middle, lovely. How can we describe it in relation to the other coins? How can you say in relation to the other coins? So, the 2p is above the 10p. Yeah? The 50p is above the 2p. Or you could say the 2p is below the 50p. Perfect. Well done. All those lovely suggestions rolling in. Excellent stuff. Well done. Super duper. How about that pound? Can we use the pound and say where it is, where that 2p is in relation to that £1 coin? What could we say there? Any ideas? Pop them in the comments box. If not, put them on your piece of paper. Where is that 2p in relation to that £1? Well, is it to the left or to the right? Is it above or is it below? Is it? Oh God! What? Where is it? That language? Well, looking at it from the point of view from the pound is to the left of the 2p. Yeah, the 2p is to the right of the pound. It's quite tricky, isn't it? It's quite confusing how we position things and make sure they're to the left or to the right, because it's from the point of view is if you, the best way I do it, I'm waffling now, is if I think that I am that 2p. So if I'm the 2p, I'm going to be in the middle. What have I got to my left? Okay, I've got, I've got the pound. So to the left of the pound, I've got the, to the left of the 2p, I've got the pound. If I'm the 2p and I'm looking that way, I've got 5p. Okay, well, to my right, I've got a 5p. It's a really good way. Imagine you're there and you can position yourself, like what we did yesterday when we're looking around our house at what things were behind us or in front of us. It's a great way to work out where things are positioned. Imagine you're there. Right, if I'm there, and if I turn around, what would I then be seeing? All right, well done. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So, some possible answers that you might have on your whiteboards. The 2p is below the 50p. It could be above the 10p. In between the pound and the 5p. Absolutely in between. Excuse me. A lovely way of describing it. In between. It's in between the two things. To the left of the 5p and to the right of the pound. Well done, everybody. Really lovely stuff. Excellent, excellent work. You're working really super hard today. Well done. Give yourself a big R. R. Very good. Well done, well done, well done. Right, your little task for today is, I would like you to grab 4 objects. I would like you to grab 4 objects. Whatever they are, I don't mind what they are. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Go and grab 4 objects from around your house and come back in front of your computer. I'm going to give you 1 minute. 4 objects. They can be anything. Toys, an apple. They could be the remote control. Anything you like. Go and get 4 objects now. Go. Go. Have you got 4? Have you all got 4 objects? All you need is 4 objects. 4 objects. Alright? 4 objects. Now, have you got them? Have you got them? I hope you have. Have you got them? Perfect. Right, I'm going to carry on. So, what I would like you to do with your 4 objects is place 1 object in front of you, 1 object to the left of you, 1 object to the right of you, and your final object behind you. And what I would like you to do on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard is describe to me the position of your objects. So, for example, if I have my coffee here and I'm going to put it in front of me, I could write coffee in front, or in front of me. But I'm just going to put in front. Coffee in front. To my left, I've got my iPad, so I'm going to put iPad to my left. iPad to my left. Ta-da! And I'm going to continue with something to my right and something behind me, all right? And write out the sentences of where these things are. What we're doing is using positional language and placing ourselves in that position. I find it is the easiest thing when we are describing how to move something or how far something has moved around is imagine yourself as that object. And this is a really good exercise to put us in the middle of some things, to make us aware of what is in front, what is behind, what is to the left, and what is to the right. Good way to practice our lefts and rights as well. So you should have 4 sentences on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper today. Something in front, something to the left, something to the right, something behind. Give yourself a big R. That's our task for today. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a whoa. The parrot hat came off. It came off my head. Fantastic job. Well done, everybody. Brilliant stuff. That is our last lesson on positional language this week. We're going to be moving on to something new next week. If you did miss any of this week's lessons, don't panic at all. They are all up on Facebook and up on YouTube. They are there for you to enjoy. For you. Yeah, for you. You and you and you and you and you and you. Perfect. Lovely. Perfecto. You guys are working super hard today. I'm really, really impressed. Well done. Right. We're going to be moving on. So we have got English at 11 o'clock today. So go and be excused. Go and get a snack. Go and have a little drink of that delicious squash. Delicious. And I will see you back here at 11 o'clock. You do not want to miss it because we have got so much to share. We have got the fantastic work that we did yesterday. Awesome. I can't wait to share that stuff with you. We've got a wicked lesson for today. We've got Wow Wall. We've got Mr. Monkey. I've also got some other little things I'd like to share with you today. Because it's Friday. It's about a sharing day. I will see you back here at 11 o'clock. Don't be late. And I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. We'll see you at 11. And remember, in front, behind, left, right. Get this done. Get it done now. Out the way, and then it's done. Perfect. I'll see you at 11. Bye, everybody. See you in a minute.
It's time to learn and have some fun. We're going to the shed school. Grab your pen and pencil, everyone. We're going to the shed school. Shed school. Your class is about to begin. We're going to the shed school. Tell your friends to all join in. We're going to the shed school.
See you 11.